Hi, welcome to Totally Random. Okay, so I locked myself out of my safe and had to pick my way into it and wanted to do something else with it in the first place. So, there's the guts. 2 locks go in there. This fits back in there and is operated by a cam. Sits on there basically, but inverted the other way around. The cam moves it back and forth. That solenoid locks it. And the second lock is it's to get back in it actually, because the kid at the shop showed me there's a battery pack that comes with this. On the front screen there's a plug, and if you just plug the secondary battery into it, the safe opens. So that's pretty crap, really. So, being an IDIoT idiot, or Internet of Things clown, and making an unencrypted safe. I took the locks off and just thought, I'll see what's in there. So I'm either going to get a trip to the hospital out of this, there we go. Now, to not stuff this up, just want to see what sort of pins were in the lock. Okay, so we have to go. Gee, it's been a while since I made a picking video. That should fit. All the pins are there. Why isn't this moving? Okay, so there's a little brass ring. Which comes off quite easily. And I just spat a pin out, realising that this plug follower is one size too large. I'm going to pause this for a split second because it's all out of focus. Okay, so the smallest plug follower I could find is one I'd printed. Yeah, it's got a bit of give it now. I found pin 1 because it bounced over there. And it's going to look silly, but ooh. Okay. That's interesting. So I've got a random pin. Pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5. Now everything's jumped out of the Bible. And they're just standard pins. Shot one. These are out of order, obviously. There's one left in there. No. He's stuck. Now he's unstuck. But that was the end pin there, so I'll just throw that one at the front, considering they're all the same length. Now, I saw a ball bearing, I believe. That was useful. No security pins, just all standards. And so I have 2 runaway springs. No, one of them is stuck. Wow. So that got stuck inside the top plate cover. And focus on that. Focus inside the Bible. It's number 2. And yeah, that would not come out by itself. So maybe the other spring, the other spring is accounted for. It bounced off and landed on my lap and is probably on the floor somewhere. Okay, so that's what was inside the lock on the cheap safe I bought. Pretty tacky way of getting the core out. Now I'll have to reverse that back out, find that spring and well, assess what I'm going to do with this, because that has been stamped in. Anyway, totally random. I'll give you a look at these pins. All standard. So that came out of the I'm sure I saw 2 ball bearings. At least one. So this ball bearing, can't see where it's come from, but it's probably the back of the lock. Beauty of printed things, you can always print more. Okay. Something else coming to the light of day. So there's 5 springs in it, and if we look, on the core, which I didn't even address before. Focus. That. Standard cord's got a bit of wear on it. There's a tiny dimple there, and there's a pin there. Now that ball bearing has obviously come out from a chamber much deeper down, which I can actually see. I doubt it. Yeah, the camera is just picking that last one up. It's the last shiny point there. So there you go. That's inside of the I've got no idea what this lock is. It's got the bitting on it. Not the bitting, but it's got the number on it. And I don't have a key to show you because I don't know where it is. I'm great at losing them. Totally random locks and picks. Thanks for watching. Cheers.